Forget everything you think you know about modern trucks. While everyone else is busy lifting pickups for the mud, Ram just dropped a bomb for the street. The legendary Rumblebee is officially back for 2027, and it is a pure, unadulterated street truck masterpiece. Just look at this thing. Right from the jump, the 2027 Rumblebee commands your attention. Ram abandoned the off-road look here. It sits slammed, low, and wide, with a custom high-performance suspension setup that gives it a menacing stance. Up front, you're greeted by a massive functional hood scoop, feeding air into that monstrous powertrain underneath. The entire front grille is blacked out, framed by sleek, dark-tinted LED headlights. And check out this aggressive front splitter. Ram actually added functional aerodynamics to keep this massive brick glued to the pavement at high speeds. It looks less like a work truck and more like a muscle car with a bed. Moving to the side, the retro inspiration is undeniable, but it's completely modernized. You've got the iconic signature vertical Rumblebee stripe wrapping around the rear bed panel, complete with the updated aggressive mascot. But what really anchors the profile are these wheels. We are looking at massive 22-inch lightweight forged rollers wrapped in ultra-wide performance rubber. Peeking through those spokes, huge, high-performance Brembo brakes with custom-painted calipers. There's zero chrome here. Everything is body-colored or gloss black, giving it a completely custom aftermarket look right from the factory floor. The rear of the 2027 Rumblebee is all about clean aerodynamics. Ram includes a body-colored, flush-mounted hard tonneau cover straight from the factory, which completely cleans up the lines and helps generate downforce. Look down low and you'll spot the aggressive rear diffuser, framing a pair of massive 5-inch dual exhaust tips. They aren't just for show either. This truck sings a brutal, deep V8 growl that will wake up the entire neighborhood.
Ram took a massive gamble bringing back a dedicated, asphalt-ripping street truck in 2027, and honestly, they absolutely nailed the styling. It's loud, it's proud, and it completely revives the classic Mopar muscle truck era. But what do you think? Is the new Rumblebee exterior a hit, or do you prefer your trucks lifted? Drop a comment below. Smash that like button if you want to see our full drive review, and subscribe for more automotive breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.